Chameleon Reader. Stick chameleons on the page that you want to add the audio. Stick a playlist to capture a whole book. Stick a colour tray if making a multilingual book. Turn on your Chameleon Reader. Keep the microphone 20 centimetres away from you when recording. Always start from green since it's the primary soundtrack.
Here comes Mr. Bob.
Here comes Mr. Bob.
Everybody has little accents, but nobody else has quite as many little accents as Mr. Bob.
Everybody has little accents, but nobody else has quite as many little accents as Mr. Bob.
Record different languages onto other colours.
碰撞先生来了。
碰撞先生来了。
Change the languages from the colour tray.
Here comes Mr. Bob. 碰撞先生来了。Here comes Mr. Bob.
When recording is finished, create a playlist to capture a whole book.
Here comes Mr. Bob. Everybody has little accents, but if there's a wall to bump into, and if there's a hole to fall into, but sometimes bumping can be fun. Look, goodbye, Mr. Bob. Here comes Mr. Bob. Everybody has little accents, but nobody else has quite as many little accents as Mr. Bob. If there's a wall to bump into, Mr. Bob is sure to bump into it. If there's a hole to fall into, Mr. Bob is sure to fall into it. But sometimes bumping can be fun. Look out, everyone. Here comes Mr. Bob. Goodbye, Mr. Bob.
Learn more at chameleon-reader.com.